Pfizer Inc. and BioNTech SE will seek approval in August for emergency use of a booster shot to their coronavirus vaccine, which was developed to strengthen patients' immunity against new variants of the virus. The companies also expect to start creating a newer version of their COVID-19 vaccine that can provide the same level of defense against the Delta variant, which is challenging the US's economic reopening process and hitting the less immunized countries like Indonesia. Virgin Galactic founder Sir Richard Branson successfully flew to the edge of space on board the VSS Unity, the spacecraft that the company has been building for 17 years, beating Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos in becoming the first billionaire to reach space. The Unity launched above the New Mexico desert and reached an altitude of 85 kilometers or 53 miles, allowing Branson and 5 crewmates to experience 3 to 4 minutes of zero gravity and observe the Earth's curvature before going back. US banking giants JPMorgan Chase & Co. and Goldman Sachs Group Inc. both posted forecast-beating earnings on Tuesday as clients recover from the pandemic and advising firms on mergers, underwriting initial public offerings or IPOs, and stock sales secured the gains. JPMorgan's profit more than doubled to $11.9 billion on revenue of $30.5 billion in the second quarter, while Goldman brought in a profit of $5.49 billion on revenue of $15.39 billion in the same quarter. The UK's June inflation rate climbed to its highest since August 2018, as supply shortages and growing demand due to more relaxed COVID-19 restrictions led to a widespread increase in prices in the previous month. British Consumer Price Index, or CPI, was up 2.5% in June, surpassing the Bank of England's, or BOE, 2% target, and testing its stance that any rise in inflation above its target would only be short-lived. The dollar was mostly steady in Europe on Thursday after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell said it was too early to stop the central bank's substantial monetary aid for the economy despite the US inflation's 5.4 rise in June. The dollar index traded slightly lower at $92.358, having reached a high of $92.832 earlier this week, while the greenback fell 0.1% to 109.79 against the Japanese yen, and the euro gained 0.05% to 1.1841 against the dollar after posting a 3-month low of 1.1772.